Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. I bought a few items online and this is one of them. I will see what it is, and we can see even the stamps is collectible. See, very nice. Okay, we're gonna open it up and see what it is. It's nicely wrapped. Okay. The invoice. Still have wrapping. Okay, very nicely done. It's nice to buy people who knows what they're doing, really. Here we go. Wow, very nice. Oh wow, what we have here? It's a banknote from Russia. It's 1,000 rubles and it is graded. See, it works $10, but I bought it less than that, way less than that. So it's a Russian 1,000 ruble from 1991, and see, the grade is fine, and $10 is the value. It has grease and some tone, but it is an old banknote, and we can see here, lovely. Wow, it's nicely preserved and graded. And there's one more. See what it is. Oh, okay. It's a Denmark coin from 1874, and I believe it is a silver coin. And let me get it out. Here we go. From Denmark, it's King Christian IX. It's a lovely coin, a silver coin from 1874. It's also graded fine, and see the price up there, $10. But yeah, I bought it less than that. So it's an old coin and it's silver, and it is graded lovely. I do hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a good day.